Whoa, Jay. Dang, there's so much traffic on this street. This is insane. You know what? I'm actually gonna pull over for this one. This is better. Jay finally got a camera, so I literally sprinted over to his place this morning. Thank you guys so much for using the affiliate links. I mean, we only were able to use $5, but still every dollar counts. I'm heading back to my house because one, I gotta charge my scooter, gotta charge my batteries, and gotta double check to see if the other intro was working, because I kind of like that intro. Maybe I should get a new camera as well. Regardless, EvlifeJay just got a new camera. It's gonna be like a chill little video, so see y'all later.
Camera's working, and I'm still don't know how the f you can see in the dark with a tinted screen. No, it is.
It is. Okay.
Yo, why is my front tire flat? You get your pump on you? Sorry, man, I didn't bring mine. I knew something was fishy earlier. It felt weird. Now I'm worried because I was flying earlier, and it felt weird. Because I'm gonna lose from taking it off. Shit, I just touched the lens. Alright, where's my ratchet strap? Here it is. I'm motivated. Alright. Ratchet, ratchet, ratchet. Let's fill it to 50.
We're gonna have to pull that off soon.
Why? Why?
You're gonna have to pull that off soon.
Why? Oh! I don't feel any air now coming from the rim. I think it's like you said, man. Because I rode it flat. Alright, let's do this. Cross your fingers, dot your I's. Pray that I make it back in one piece tonight. You never know what's going to go wrong next, teammate. It's always something. Marco! There's Polo. Yeah, I've been down here in a long time. Isn't this like a rich neighborhood?
What? I don't think so.
Didn't the governor live here? That's the middle school. It's a damn good thing I wasn't trying to do that sidewalk or curb when my tire was low.
Whoa, Jay. Yo, you good, bro? You good?
There's a camera, all right? That's all that matters.
You good?
Yeah. Is the camera good?
Yeah, yeah. Did you hit your head?
No. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, but I'm good. I forgot this thing was here.
Yeah, good thing that light turned on.
How come I turned off though? Is that like a safety feature?
I don't know, you broke your lights.
What do you mean? Oh, shit. Huh? My won't even turn on. Oh, this dude's cool. He's been walking around the city all day today. What's the matter?
You got tools with you?
Oh. Dude, it's unhooked.
Yeah, but it's also ripped.
How's that stuck in there?
You crushed the wire for your display.
Well, it's a good thing I have a new wire at the house.
Yeah, you might have to call him. Or we can use my shoelace to tow you.
Yeah.
Or we can use my shoelace to tow you.
I appreciate your offer of shoelace dragging me home, but I ain't gonna ruin your shoelaces for that.
No, I have one. That's what I have it for.
No, you don't.
I swear to God, yeah. It's my towing shoelace.
I crashed my scooter. one of the main display wires ripped, so it won't even turn on now. I just didn't want to, I'm just too fat and lazy to push this thing all the way home. George is trying to offer me, hold on to a shoelace and pull me, fucked up, and I'm going to throw that, I'm scared.
You don't want to try the toe?
No, I don't want to try the toe, man. I'm scared of the toe.
Ah, come on.
Or you just fly back to my house, grab the wire, and I'll switch it right here.
Oh yeah, where's your display?
I don't know.
Because you need a new display. Let me try and tow you, come on.
Okay, all right.
Let's go, shoelace toe. Do it to the top of the handlebars or the middle? It's probably best to do it in the middle, right?
Yeah. You want to hook it to my hook?
Oh yeah. Let's hook it up.
Phone's good. Camera's good. I'm good. I'm bleeding on the elbow, but that's a previous injury.
Oh yeah, no, this is definitely going to be the most sketch. I'm gonna put my hazards on.
I'm ready.
All right, man. You good?
You honestly think this shoelace is gonna pull my fat ass?
Yeah. Let me know when you're on and you're good.
I'm good.
All right. You good?
Yo, we're doing it.
Yep. I just need to keep it at a low speed. Yeah. So Jay took a bit of a fall. He either broke his rib, bruised his rib, fractured his rib, or has a floating rib. I'm not really sure. And his scooter, for some reason, we don't know why it turned off and wouldn't turn back on. Probably because his display wire was destroyed. But I did manage to tow him. The shoelace did work, the shoelace did hold, and I did get him all the way through. The Insta360 did cut out with footage before I could tow him. And my GoPro, unfortunately, did lose battery before I could bring him back to his place. But the shoestring tow worked. Now we're gonna fix up his scooter and make it a little bit more nice and phonetic. And I mean, that's the video. Until next time, y'all be easy, y'all stay easy, and peace.
My front tire is low.
Yeah.
Pushing it in.
Well, maybe because you hit a curb.